Do you want to have fresh vegetables all year round? Today, we delve into the rewarding world of year-round vegetable gardening. Imagine the cost savings, the health benefits, and the sheer joy of homegrown produce. With proper planning, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest throughout the year. First things first, decide what vegetables you want to grow. Consider your local climate and available garden space. Choose vegetables that thrive in different seasons. Your personal taste matters too. Remember, the right choice of vegetables is key to a successful year-round garden. Next, plan your garden layout. Consider arranging plants to optimize available space. Understand the principles of succession planting and crop rotation, essential for constant harvesting and soil health preservation. A well-planned garden layout ensures efficient use of space and promotes healthy plant growth. Now it's time to prepare your soil. A successful garden starts below ground with nutrient-rich, well-structured soil. Boost fertility by adding organic matter like compost. Introduce soil amendments to improve structure. Remember, healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. With your soil prepared, you're ready to plant. Start by sowing cool season vegetables in early spring and warm season ones as temperatures rise. Remember, timing is key in gardening. Once your greens are in the ground, the nurturing phase begins. Regular watering is crucial, but avoid oversaturation. Keep weeds at bay with frequent tending and be vigilant about pests. A garden is a living ecosystem that needs your constant attention. With proper care, your garden will provide a steady supply of fresh vegetables all year round. So, are you ready to start your year-round vegetable garden? Let's recap. Deciding what to grow, planning your layout, preparing your soil, and maintaining your garden are key steps to success. The benefits are immense. Fresh, healthy produce all year, savings on grocery bills, and the joy of nurturing life. So why wait? Get your hands dirty and reap the rewards. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.